Hello everyone, good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Chaudhry Kaisar Mustafa Bhutta and I proudly serve as an affidavit inspector with the New York City Board of Elections. I want to extend my warmest greetings to all departments and dedicated public servants across New York City. As part of this crucial role, I am committed to upholding the integrity of our electoral process, assisting voters, and ensuring fair access for all New Yorkers during elections. It's an honor to work alongside so many professionals who are devoted to civic service and public trust. I look forward to continued collaboration and shared efforts in making our city's democratic process strong, transparent, and accessible. Thank you all for what you do. Warm regards, Chaudhry Kaisar Mustafa Bhutta, Affidavit Inspector, New York City Board of Elections.